Today is 1717 of February 2021, right? आज क्या डेट है? Today is 1717. Look at the picture, everyone. 1717. The date is written in this blue box. 1717 of February 2021, and the day is Wednesday. When we do our homework in our notebooks, we always have to write the date on the left side, right? We always have to write the date on the left side when we do our homework in our notebooks, right? Okay, now everybody please stand up for the prayer. Everyone. Yes, please stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Yes, join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start with the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now everyone, please open your eyes. Yes. Okay. Now we will do thank you God prayer. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. We should say thank you to God every day for all the creatures we see, for the food we eat, right? We always have to say thank you God when we wake up early in the morning, right? Okay, now everyone, please stand up on the floor for the exercise. Everybody, yeah, it's exercise time. You need to stand up on the floor. Riddhi Siddhi, please mute yourself, beta. Yes, everybody needs to stand up on the floor. Yes, let's start with some exercise. First of all, put your hands on your shoulders and move them in a circular motion. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now same with the legs. We need to move our legs in a circular motion, right? One by one. Please take the support. Please take the support. You can hold your mama hand. You can hold any door, any table, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to move our leg in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Very good, everyone. Now take your hands above your head. 1, 2 in front of you. 3 open and down 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? Okay, now put your hands on your waist. Put your hands on your waist. Now move it in a circular motion. Very good. Round and round. Very nice. Round and round. Now anti-clockwise. Round and round. You need to move your waist. Right? Okay. Now relax and now take your hand, right hand to the left side above your head. You need to take your left hand to the right side. Right hand to the left side. Left hand to the right side. Right? Count with me till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. You need to now stand straight. Stand straight. Yes. Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms and do a namaste above your head. What you need to do, you need to stand straight, then stretch your arms and do a namaste above your head. Very good. Very good. I can see everybody trying. Yes, the last one is take your hand above your head, bend down and touch your toes. What you need to do, you need to take your hand straight above your head, bend down and touch your toes. For the last time, take your hands above your head, bend down and touch your toes. Very good. Very good, everyone. Now sit down and take your place. Please sit down. Yes, everybody, please settle down. Sit down at your place. Very good. Now what you need to do, you need to join your hands, rub your palms. Very good. And give the warmth of your hands to your eyes, to your face, to your throat, and all over the body. Very good. Clapping for all of you. Clapping. Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay. Now, everybody has done the days of the week. Right? हमने days of the week किए, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Right? So I'm sharing your picture. We will again revise the days of the week. Right? You need to speak after ma'am. Right? आपको repeat करना है ma'am के साथ साथ. But be on mute. Right? First is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Once again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You need to repeat after ma'am, right? We will revise with hands. Okay, now ma'am will ask question. Okay, एक बार revise करने के बाद I will ask question from every one of you. Okay? Okay, let's start with ma'am. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right? How many days are there in a week? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Count on your fingers again. Count on your fingers again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Right? 2 fingers in left hand, 5 fingers in right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right? Okay, now I will ask questions. Okay, now Avleen will tell me, Avleen, what comes after Monday? What comes after Monday?
What comes after Monday?
It's Tuesday.
Yes, very good. Tuesday. Okay, now Shakti will tell me, Shakti, what comes after Tuesday?
के बाद क्या आता है बताओ मैम को?
Four.
फोर नहीं, वेडनेसडे,
Monday, Tuesday, then
वेडनेसडे बोलो.
Wednesday.
yes, Wednesday. Very good. Okay, now Pehel will tell me, Pehel, how many days are there in a week? Pehel?
7.
Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Very good. Now Arohi will tell me, Arohi, what comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Very good. Now Kiara will tell me, Kiara, what comes after Thursday?
Friday.
Please unmute. Kiara, please unmute first.
Friday. Friday. Friday.
Yes, Friday. Okay, one profile name, Bhavna Sharma. Please tell me the child name, ma'am.
Kiara Sharma.
Hiroshima.
Okay, Kiara. Okay, now Akshdeep. Akshdeep will tell me what comes after Sunday.
Monday.
Yes, Monday. Very good. Okay, now Agamjeet will tell me. Agamjeet, what comes after Friday?
फ्राइडे के बाद
Saturday.
Yes, very good. Okay, Riddhi Siddhi, how many days are there in a week?
7.
How many days are there in a week?
लाउडली बोलो मैम को बताओ.
Loudly. 7.
Yes, 7. Now, the another Kiara. Kiara? Yes. Ma'am, Kiara Sharma, no, Kiara Sharma, no. One more Kiara is here, right?
Yeah.
Yes, she's Kiara.
Kiara Arora.
Ma'am, the surname? Okay. Okay, Kiara Arora, please tell me how many days are there in a week?
How many days?
7. 7.
How many days? Yes, very good. Very good. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, now Divik will tell me what comes after Monday.
मंडे के बाद Davik. Tuesday. Say loudly. Davik. Loudly.
Monday,
Ma'am, he is
Tuesday,
very.
right? No problem, ma'am. Okay. Okay, now everyone, please take out your notebooks. Very good. Please take out your notebooks now.
Yes, good afternoon to all. Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So quickly take out your maths notebook. Today we are doing maths writing. and we are already done 1 to 40 counting. We are already done 1 to 40 counting, but today we are doing what comes after. After means one step ahead, like Monday, after Monday, Tuesday, right? Shruti ma'am will tell na, after Monday, Tuesday. So in maths, today we are doing what comes after 1 to 20, right? After means one step ahead. For example, which number is this? 3. 3. Shruti ma'am, my board is visible, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 3.
It's visible.
What comes after 3? Yes. Kiara Arora, unmute yourself.
Kiara, look.
Yes, Kiara. What comes after 3? After means one step ahead. Count from the 1. 1, 2, 3. After which number will come?
3, 4,
Yes.
5.
Very good. After 3, 4. Now stop. Yes. After 3, which number will come? 4.
4.
Now next, Kiara Sharma. Kiara Sharma, unmute yourself.
8.
Yes.
Ouch.
Which number is this? Is this 7? What comes after 7?
7 के बाद क्या आता है बोलो मैम को
6.
7 के बाद जल्दी बोलो क्या रहा
After.
8
8.
Yes. 8. We will write number 8. Right. After 3, 4. After 7, 8. Now next, Avleen Kaur. Avleen, what comes after 11?
12.
Yes, 12. Very good. Now next, Aruhi, unmute yourself. What comes after 14? After one step ahead.
मैम को बताओ फिर लिखना बताओ 14 के बाद
14.
उसके बाद
After 14.
15 नहीं 50
15.
15.
1, 5, 15. Right? Okay, next, Pehel. Pehel, unmute yourself. What comes after 17?
Arohi, please mute.
18.
Yes, 18. We will write number 18. Okay. Now next, who will tell me? Agamji. Agamji, what comes after 9?
9 after? Speak loudly, beta. 9 after?
And after
After 9.
बोलो जोर से बोलो अभी बोला था ना 10
Yes, 10, 10. Speak loudly. 10, 10. Now, Akshadeep, unmute yourself. What comes after 5? Yes. What comes after 5? Akshadeep. Akshadeep is not there. Okay. Shakti, you will tell me what comes after 5?
बोलो आफ्टर 5 लाउडली
6.
जोर से बोलो
Yes. 6. We will
Six.
write number 6. Yes. Shruti, please share the worksheet.
Yes, ma'am, Sherry.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now,
share.
Vedant, unmute yourself. Tell me what comes after 14.
चल फर्स्ट फास्ट
14 के बाद क्या आता है? 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14.
14,
14 के बाद क्या आएगा?
15.
15.
Yes. 1, 5, 15. Now next number is 19. Vedika, you will tell me what comes after 19.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
90,
अब 19 के बाद क्या आएगा?
20.
Yes, very good. 20. Now next Riddhi and Siddhi, unmute yourself. What comes after 11? Riddhi will tell me.
बताओ मैम को। 11, 11, 12.
12. Very good. Now Siddhi, what comes after 7?
7, 6, 7, 8.
8. Very good. Now Kiara Sharma again. What comes after 4?
5.
Yes,
दोबारा
5.
बोलो।
5.
Now Hemant, unmute yourself. What comes after 17?
के बाद 18.
18. Very good. Now Pahel, what comes after 13?
बताओ।
40.
Yes, 14. Now Rudransh, what comes after 6? What comes after 6? Rudransh, unmute yourself.
अब बोलो
Yes, what comes after 6? Yes, speak loudly. After 6? Seven. Yes. Now last, Devik, you will tell me what comes after 10.
11.
Loudly.
Yes, 11. Very good. Yes, all babies doing very good. After means one step ahead, right? Yes, all babies doing very good. Now shall we start next? In English oral? Yes, Shruti ma'am, please share the worksheet.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Today we are doing in English. Circle the letters that makes beginning and ending beginning sounds. Beginning sounds of the given picture, right? Yes. Now who will tell me the first picture? Kiara Sharma. Kiara Sharma, unmute yourself. Tell me the first picture. Which picture is this?
क्या है वो पिक्चर बताओ मैम, किस चीज की पिक्चर है?
ये वाले
हाँ ये बताओ। क्या है ये?
बिस्किट.
किस चीज की? आइसक्रीम। और कौन से लेटर से
Ice
शुरू
cream.
होता है?
Ice cream start from which letter?
कौन से लेटर से? बोलो मैम को।
Yes, letter I. Okay, next picture. Kiara Arora. Tell me the next picture. Which picture is this?
What picture? Which picture is this? Come on, tell. Come on.
Yes,
Biba.
Kiara. Bird.
Very
Yes, bird start from letter B.
good.
Now next one, Rudransh. Rudransh, unmute yourself. Which picture is this? Yes, star.
Poster.
S for star. Very good. Now next one, Vedant. Vedant, which picture is this?
Which picture is this, Vedant? Very
I.
good.
I.
Ice.
I start from which letter?
जोर की बोलो.
E.
I से होता है, E से होता है, U से होता है. E.
E. Very good.
Small E होता है.
Vedika, which picture is this?
Which picture is this, Vedika? Pencil. Okay. And let's start with
Which
what?
picture is this?
W.
Pencil. Pencil start from? Yes.
P से होता है.
Yes, very good. Now Devik. Devik, which picture is this? Yes, Devik. Okay, Pehal, you will tell me which picture is this?
बताओ. No. Ma'am, you will tell her.
Okay, which picture is this?
Lamp.
No, no.
No. Web.
Sangeeta ma'am, you will because I cannot.
That's a web. That's a W.
It's a web.
Yes.
Spider
Web.
makes a web.
W. Web. Now next, Aruhi. Should you please share the next worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
White मेरा black.
ग्रीन है ना दोनों. अच्छा वो नीचे है.
Yes. Okay, Aruhi, unmute yourself. Which picture is this?
Pelican cabo.
तुम्हारी टर्न है मैम, तुमसे ही पूछ रही हूँ.
Aeroplane.
Yes, aeroplane. Aeroplane start from letter
A for
A.
aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Yes. Now next, Akshdeep, unmute yourself. Which picture is this?
And is asking for which picture?
Ball. Ball start from which letter? Letter B. Now next, who will tell me? Avleen. Avleen, which picture is this?
Is a clock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Clock start with.
Yes, clock. Clock start from which letter?
Oh. I know.
Which one? Which letter?
C. C.
C.
Clock. Okay. Now next. Next, who will tell me? Kiara Arora. Which picture is this?
And
Ma'am.
Yes, A and. Next picture. Next picture, Shakti will tell me. Shakti, unmute yourself. Which picture is this?
बताओ मैम को क्या है?
candle.
Candle. Candle start from which letter? Letter C.
C. बोल.
C for
Candle.
candle.
Yes, very good. Now last, Kiara Sharma. Which picture is this, Kiara?
Cat.
किस चीज की पिक्चर है बताओ मैम को ये वाली.
Cat.
हाँ तो किससे शुरू होता है मैम को बताओ.
Bat start from which letter?
क्या है ये बोल के बताओ मैम.
Cat.
Bat.
Kiss कौन सी
Bat start from letter B. B, ba, bat. Very good. Yes, all babies doing very good today. Yes, over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, everybody, now leave your notebooks. Yes, now leave your notebooks. Now, who will tell me हम जो वाटर होता है, वाटर इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर अस। एंड वाटर हम किस किस चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं? हु विल टेल मी? अवलीन विल टेल मी। अवलीन,
With
टेल
water,
मी। Yes, water is used for drinking.
मैम को बताओ. And
Yes, and washing.
yes.
Yes,
And what next? Cleaning.
yes. So we are reading about the uses of water. The uses of water, right? हम किस किस चीज के लिए वाटर को यूज करते हैं? वाटर इज यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग। यस, हम पानी पीते हैं, दैट वाटर इज यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, वॉशिंग दी हैंड्स, ब्रशिंग योर टीथ, फॉर बाथिंग, for cooking, for watering the plants, and many more. Water is very useful for us. Without water, we can do nothing, right? पानी नहीं होगा तो हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, ना ही ब्रश कर पाएंगे, ना ही अपने हैंड्स को वॉश कर पाएंगे, ना ही मम्मा खाना बना पाएंगी, राइट? So water is very useful and we must not waste water, right? We must not waste the water because water is very useful for us and without water we can do nothing, right? Now who will tell me the uses of water? Tell me one by one. किस किस चीज के लिए हम वाटर का यूज करते हैं? पहल, yes, one is drinking. Now next next Kiara Sharma will tell me. Kiara Sharma, water is used for drinking and cook करने के लिए. Very good. Now Vedant will tell me. Vedant, हम किस चीज के लिए और वाटर को यूज करते हैं? आप किस लिए यूज करते हो वाटर को?
क्या करते हो?
हम खाते होते हैं, पानी में डालते हैं, पानी में
Yes, we wash our hands with water, right? We wash our hands with water. And now Shakti will tell me. Shakti, what do you do with water?
बताओ वाटर से हम क्या करते हैं? बोलो, कुकिंग।
जब शक्ति, yes, cooking, very good. Now Akshdeep will tell me. Akshdeep, what do we do with water? आप क्या क्या करते हो वाटर से?
क्या बोलते हैं? एक्शन कर रहे मैम को बताओ।
We wash our hands, we bath with water, we cook with water, right? Okay, now Kiara Arora will tell me. Kiara, please tell me, what do we do with water? आप किस लिए वाटर का यूज करते हो?
use water for
drinking. Yes, drinking. Very good. Okay, now Agamjeet will tell me. Agamjeet, how do you use water?
वाटर से हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
How do you use water? Yes. Yes, very good. So, water is very useful for us. और हमें water को waste नहीं करना है, right? We must not waste water, right? Very good, everybody. Okay, Hemant. Hemant will tell me, what do you do with water? How do you use water? Hemant?
वाटर का यूज का क्या करते हैं? बताओ बताओ, बोलो बोलो बोलो।
Water is used for drinking, washing the clothes, washing the utensils, right? हर चीज में वाटर का यूज होता है. और कई बार बेबीज क्या करते हैं, जब वी डू ब्रशिंग तो हम टैप को ओपन छोड़ देते हैं, राइट? बेबीज करते हैं ऐसे. So we must not do these kind of things. We must not waste the water, right? Okay, now everybody, what we have done today, we have done the exercise, days of the week, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then we have done the orals for maths and the orals and the beginning letter for English, right? And now we have done the uses of water, that the water is very useful for us and we must not waste the water. And water is used for many things for brushing, for washing the clothes, for washing the utensils, for brushing, for bathing, everything. We cannot do anything without water, right? Okay, now everyone, please stand up for the goodbye song now. Yes, everybody, please stand up. It's time for the goodbye song and say goodbye to your friends and ma'am. Very good. Please stand up.
It's time to go